mo.
朝が怖くって起きられない、努力はそんなに向いてない、泣くことだけが得意になる、そんな日々の狭間でちょっとだけ疲れたんだって、星の輝きがしんどいて、言えないことだけ増えてってうつむくように、明日が来なければ、そしたらきっと楽になれる、空っぽなのに心が痛むんだ、今日がどうにも寂しくってさ、眠れないままだけどさ、いつか幸せって思えるまで君は君のままでいてよ、もうさ強がらなくてもいいんだよ、過去の夜の涙一つ、それを弱く持って歩いてゆく、それだけで今はいいんだよ。いつか君が笑えるような歌を歌う。
If you want me, come over, babe. You're picking up with some ATA. And just ain't got no time to waste. I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Come over, babe.
Ba't ganyan ang iyong tingin? Di na maalis sa isipan kong lahat ng to. Gabi-gabi ka lang gumugulong. Maaari bang sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga mata mo?
Maybe you can try, well unless if you deserve it.
So in love talaga, di ko mapigilan na. Pag nakakasama ka, iba ang nadarama. Mga titik.
Ako'y di na malilate pa all the way, basta ikaw ang ka-take, diretso kagad sa iyong gate, baby. Oh, wait lang all the way, di na kailangan ng breaks, tuloy-tuloy lang all the way, baby. Oh, tanggal ang angas ko sa'yo, sunod-sunuran parang aso sa'yo lang to titiklo, pero sulit naman pagkasama ka. Huwag kang magtaka sa'kin kung hindi na ako sanay na mag-isa. Tanong ko lang, handa ka bang libutin ng mundo? Simula ngayong kasama na kita sa plano ko, kaya naman huwag kang mabahala na baka di gumana ang ating pinaplano na magpakalayo-layo sa mundo na.
The dog is wet. No, he's playing. It's raining. Oh no, the dog. The dog.
Nang tayo na lang, bigyan mo na ulit sa kanila.
Goodbye. Bye-bye na.
Wish I was dead. Wish I was you instead. The way we held each other's hand, the way we talked, the way we laughed, it felt so good to find true love. I knew right then and there you were the one. Oh, dinadalangin kong tayo hanggang sa walang hanggan. Sa mundong nakakapagod,
KENTIN Hood Road Trip.
And I hate to see your heart break. I hate to see your eyes get darker as they close, but I've been there before. And I hate to see your heart break. I hate to see your
Imagining when you're close to me.
Sabi mo sa mama mo, lilinisin mo na yung kwarto mo bukas. Gigising ka ng maaga. Paano ka gigising ng maaga kung nagpupuyat ka ngayon? Bakit ka pa nanonood? Pwede mo namang patay na yung TikTok, di ba?
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Sabi na.
Ganyan ka naman eh.
Agad eh.
try to look at me and really see my heart. Do you expect me to believe I'm gonna let us fall apart? I can feel you near me, even when you're far away. I can feel you, baby. Whoa. It's not supposed to feel this way. I need you more and more each day. It's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you. Tell me, are you and me still together? Tell me, you think we could last forever? Tell me, why? So go and think about whatever you need to think about. Go out and dream about whatever you need to dream about, and come back to me when you know just how you feel. I can feel you near me, even though you're far away. I can feel you, baby. Whoa. It's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you more and more each day. It's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you. Tell me, it's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you more and more each day. It's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you.
First time, yun na yung maalala nila. So, dapat lagi kaming mindful.
Ta-ta-ra-ri-ram, ta-ta-ra-ri-ram, ta-ta-ra-ri-ram. Ta-ta-ra-ri-ram, ta-ta-ra-ri-ram.
Me? In love with you? Yes. Yes, I am, bitch.
Baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. You'll always be a part of my life. I'm part of you indefinitely. Boy, don't you know you can't escape? Hold on, because you'll always be my baby.
It took one look, then forever lay out in front of only to be revived by you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out. Goes to show just how much I know about the way life plays out. I take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Ooh. Now I know that I know not a thing at all, except the fact that I am yours and that you are mine. Oh, but they told me that this wouldn't be easy. And no, I'm not one to complain.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. Oh, all I wanna do is grow old with you.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako, bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba, pag nakatingin sa iyong mata ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi at kung saan ko okay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako titipaw, ilang ikaw na para sa'yo.
Magbabanggaan. Try ka. Dami nagbabanggaan.
Ikaw ay dilaw, di akalain mararamdaman ko muli ang yakap ng panahon habang kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw. Mukhang di naman delikado kasi parang humingiti na naman ako. Kaya ngayon di na ako mangangamba kahit anong sabihin nila. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali, ikaw na ang katabi at kung saan ko okay pumuti. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako titipaw, ilang ikaw na para sa'yo. Kung dati ang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay dilaw. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang saan buhok ay pumati. Di na maghanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di magmamadali, ikaw lang ang katabi. Nandyan ka na naman, pasulap-sulap sa'kin. Lagi-lagi na lang paligaw-ligaw tingin. Ba't di mo subukan aminin?
Di makalayo, tanging ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin.
Sa'yo lang ang tingin, di pinapansin
Ingay sa tabi, magulong kang aligiran, sa'yo nakatingin sa piling mo. We walk slowly under the trees and we swing each other's hands in rhythm. And I can feel it like it's real, so real. We swing each other's hands.
Kahit lahat ay mawala na, handa akong masaktan kung kapalit na may malaya kang mahahagkan. Tunay na pagpasiya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa aking oksihina. Pag hindi na makahinga, kung ipahihiram ko ng isang araw ang mata ko, malalaman mong sa piro ang tingin ko sa'yo, ika'y hiyas para sa akin. Depekto'y di kayang hanapin.
Wish I could be part of your life. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. Where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Sino gusto mo i-kiss? Gusto ka i-kiss, no?
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ang iyong larawan. Kahit di mo mamalayan, ikaw lang ang gustong tignan. Di ko man masabi kahit na di maaari. Pwede ba ko manatili? Ikaw lang ang gustong pagmasdan. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you.
Kiss me once cause you know I had a long night. Kiss me twice cause it's gonna be alright. 3 times cause I waited my whole life. I like shiny things but I'd marry you with paper rings, that's right, darling, you're the one I want. And I hate accidents except when we went from friends to this, that's right, darling, you're the one I want. Paper rings in picture frames in dirty dreams. 싶은 일들을 상상하는 게 요즘 내 일상이 되고 너의 즐거워하는 모습을 보고 있으면 자연스레 따라 웃고 있는 걸 너의 행동에 설레야 하고 뒤척이다가 찌스운 마음이 많아지는데 이건 누가 봐도 사랑일 텐데 종일 함께면 진일 텐데 나 돌아서도 온통 너인 건 아무래도 사랑인가 봐.
Sunday morning rain is falling.
Still some cover, share some skin.
Ay nagukod kay di na kung gusto.
Iko'y matatawag pa nga ba? I can feel it like it's real, so moving closer, feels like a fairy tale.
Babe, take my heart, this is the moment.
Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wish I could be part of your life.
As long as we keep it low, 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 low key. Don't stray, don't ever go away. I should be much too smart for this. You know it gets the better of me sometimes when you and I collide. I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye and let all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time telling you why I say it's infinitely true. Say, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. And there's no cure, no way to be sure why everything's turned inside out, instilling so much doubt. It makes me so tired, I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my...
So last, first song you memorize?
ABCD? Oh, ABCD.
So ayun, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello po. Welcome. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye everyone.
See you.
Bye.
Kamukha tayo.
Baby, you are my life. 你点亮我的爱。
Nasaan kayo sa July 14 to 16?
Tawagin na natin. Wait, bakit ka pa naghahanap? Di pa ba ako sapat? Ay.
Mukhang delikado na naman ang tumingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma.
When you say that I want it that way, tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Am I
am unwritten, can't read my mind. I'm undefined. I'm just beginning, the pen's in my hand, ending unplanned. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins, the rest is still unwritten. Yeah. Oh, oh. Eyes are outside the line. We've been conditioned.
pag-ibig mo lang talaga, ang pag-ibig mo lang talaga, panghabang buhay at puno ng kulay. Pag-ibig mo lang talaga ang aking hangat.
Kadang bikin aku kesal, tiba-tiba